Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to split PDF by page numbers using the ILovePDF app. Just open the app and go to the tools where you can find this split PDF option. Click on it, then select the file you would like to work with. Click on next. And now choose this split by ranges option where you can set from which page number to which page number you would like to create a new file. You can add another range as well. So now I have 5 pages and I want to have a document from page number 1 to page number 3 and another one from page number 4 to page number 5, and we can click this button like merge all ranges in one PDF file, but now of course I need two, so I click on split PDF and wait, and it's been created. We can have a look. Yeah. Alright, so that's basically it. I hope it will be useful for you.